Hi guys, so little video today to show you how the pick optimizer works. So you have 7 pages you can find here. So you have like a general selection and then per category. So if you're a striker, offensive mid, defensive mid, etc. So let's start with the first page, which is a selection. So as you can see, it's composed of 6 boards which sum up which player is the best per category. So for example, for the offensive mid, you have Iwobi, Savigno, Zobolazai, you can see the clubs and also the average bid. Then you have the same for the striker, for the defensive mid, for the goalkeeper, for the center back, for the fullback. So you have like a general visibility of everything. And here you can see the full budget for your team, knowing that the budget dedicated for you for the transfer market is 500 million. So if you buy these players, you will have almost 200 million left. And for this one, you can buy like someone who is like more expensive and do better bid and bigger bid. So let's see now the striker page. So basically, it will be the same for every category, but what will change will be the metrics we will see really soon. So you have the striker. So you have like the first board, which is to show the best striker depending on different metrics. So you can find, so for example, if we choose by score, we can see that Bowen is the first one, Jimenez is the second one. So with the score, you have the form, the rating, the value on the bid market, and the percentage of buying. So if they bought a lot or not. For example, we can see that in terms of value, Mateta is has the highest value. His rating is okay, he has a great form, but his score is not the best. So maybe you won't pick him, but you can pick another one. You can pick, for example, Jimenez, which is less expensive, half of Mateta, which is a little bit less in form. For his rating is more or less the same. He's also picked, but a little bit less, but his score, sorry, is a lot of better. Then here you have some gems, which are striker with good score. So if you click, you can see it's updated automatically. You have all of the detail you need. But let's keep the general view. Here you have some specialists, which are the most here is straight by score, but which who are the most let's say valuable striker or who can score the best. And here you have the details of the top 5. So the number of the percentage of goals, the shoot on target, corner one, etc. So you have this for the striker, and then for the offensive midfielder, it's the same. But for example, it will change on the specialist part because depending on your position, you won't look for the same metrics. So the metric will change depending on the position. So here, but basically it's the same logic for everything for the defensive mid. Okay, same. Now same as the offensive mid, but maybe we'll check more the tackles for this one. For the fullback, same. For example, we have the corner one here, which is a change. The score is different, and then center back, same. But for this one, is the defensive possession if they are good or not, and for the goalkeeper, the goal they avoid, so avoid it. So you can see, you can choose which is the best goalkeeper. So this is it. It was just a quick video to introduce you this tool, how to use it, and you can change and select whoever you want. And I will give more detail in the article about how it works and how was the analysis done. Bye bye.